The Kugelhahn-Müller ball valve, or KM2021, ensures an extended service life and meets the highest quality requirements of the chemical industry. The standard lever features an integral position indicator. Handle options include lockout capabilities, modular stem extensions, and stainless materials engineered for the chemical industry. It features PTFE packing with a unique preloaded Belleville spring design that is field adjustable, ensuring extended cycle life. The O-ring sealing system features a 3-ring arrangement to ensure a long cycle life without the need to adjust conventional packing arrangements. The seat design ensures bidirectional zero leakage under full pressure and a wide range of temperatures. A wide range of accessories and special material options enable high flexibility to meet the requirements within the most stringent applications.